you in the club?
Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. On today's episode, it's the Play-Doh Mega Fun Factory, something that I've been wanting to open and play with for a very long time. Okay, let's open it up and check it out. This thing is humongous. Okay, we got one part of it. Almost. That was not easy. Okay, so here it is. So this, first of all, I'll show you this. It comes with a humongous, super colorful play mat. Look at this. Isn't that cool? And I know it's not really her, but doesn't this look like my favorite pony, Pinkie Pie? There's another one right there. There's no cutie mark, but it looks like her, don't you guys think? What else is on here? There's a little Mr. Potato Head. There's a duck, a train, another duck. So I think these are some of the shapes that we'll be able to make. Before we can fully investigate, we need to put some batteries in this. It takes 2 C batteries, and they do not come with the play set. So, oh, it's already working. From what I can tell, and we haven't used it yet, but from reading the instructions, this is how it works. So this end is an extruder. So we'll place the Play-Doh down in here, press it out, and it will come out right here. Then it will move down the little assembly line where we'll have the opportunity to press out a shape. And these are the different shapes. So there's a block, there's that pony I was talking about, a train, a can of Play-Doh, a pig, a dump truck, and then we have a bunch of candies. See all of these? So when the Play-Doh comes down the assembly line, we press it, it rolls, continues rolling through here, we cut it, and then it falls off right into the little tray on the bottom. So this looks super awesome, and I think we should give it a whirl. So I'm just gonna warm the Play-Doh up a little bit in my hands, and we'll press it down in the extruder. Oh look, there is a shape, and it is, I'm not sure what, but we'll have to check it out. It looks like it might be a little Play-Doh character, like a man or an elf holding a piece of candy. All right, here we go. I'm gonna turn the button on. Oh, there we go. Made that first piece too big. So my first time wasn't great. So I think we have a bunch of grapes and then like a bean. So we're gonna try it again. And this time, let's see. Let's make, I don't know what that is. It looks like a little piece of chocolate. to see, but we have 3 little squares and they have the Play-Doh logo on them. Okay, we're gonna try again with a different color. This is kind of a hot pink or fuchsia. It actually matches my sweatshirt. So we'll load the Play-Doh. Candy. I don't know what this is. It's like a bunch of little round things. And then we also have a donut and a candy corn. Okay, let's make some more. A dump truck, a duck, Mr. Potato Head, and a little pig. Our Mr. Potato Head was really good, but not as good as our pony. Making shapes with this is really fun, but it's also fun just to play with it. I'm sending a big snake right down the conveyor belt. And we're gonna chop it into 1,000,000 pieces. Here we go. Need to make it a little thinner. Could be a big piece of bread. This time we have some delicious Play-Doh pizzas to chop in half. Perfectly it chopped our little pizzas. How cute! And here is one last look at all of the different shapes that you can make. You guys, I really like this. And I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. So leave me a comment and let me know, okay? I'm Amy Jo with DCTC, and I'll see you back here real soon. Bye-bye!